Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will presentation about reception activities. Let me introduce our group. There are Ajeng Gusti and Evieka, Ikwan A, and Putri Ayu. For the first, oral comprehension. The expression oral comprehension in live face-to-face communication and its remote and or record equivalent. The aspect of oral comprehension include here under reception are different kind of one-way comprehension in excluding understanding and interlocutor, which is include under interaction. Scale are provide for understanding conversation between other people and for understanding as a member of a live audience. Number 2, understanding conversation between other people. This scale concerns two main situations. The first is when other participant in a group interaction talk or sign across the user or learner to each other. The second situation is when the user or learner is an overhearer to a conversation between other people nearby. Key concept. Number 1, picking up and concepting word or sign phrases. Number 2, catching enough to identify the topic and change of topic. Number 3, identifying chronological progression, for example, a story. Number 4, identifying when people agree and disagree and point made for against as issue. Number 5, identifying attitude and sociocultural implication. Number 3, understanding as a member of a live audience. This scale concerns understanding a speaker addressing an audience. Key concept. Following a talk accompanying real artifact and visual aids. Number 2, the degree of accommodation to the audience. Number 3, familiarity of the situation and subject matter. Number 4, following a line of argument discussing main points.
Number 4, understanding announcement and instruction. Understanding announcement and instruction involves highly focused comprehension aimed at capturing effective information. Understanding announcement and instruction have 3 key concepts. And number 1, understanding direction and detailed instruction. Number 2, catching the main point of announcement. Number 3, degree of clarity ranging from slow and clear to normal speed with potential audio and or visual distortion. Number 5, understanding audio, media and record. The scale involves broadcast audio and signal media and record materials announced accompanied by video, including message, weather forecasts, narrated story, new bulletin, interview, and documentaries. Understanding audio, media, and recordings have 4 key concepts. Number 1, picking out created information. Number 2, understanding main points, essential information. Number 3, catching important information. And number 4, identifying speaker mood, attitudes, and viewpoints.
Number 6. Reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is taken to include both written and signed text. And the key concept: first, length and complexity or simplicity of message. And second, concreteness of information, whether in follow a routine format. Third, the extent to which language is standard, colloquial, and idiomatic. And fourth, the extent to which the subject is in everyday one, or if it is related to interest or specialists. And then reading for orientation, key concept. 1. The type of text, like notice and leaflets. 2. Article and book. And 2. Picking out concrete information like times and price from the text. 3. Identify important information. 4. Scanning process. Scanning prose text to relevance. 5. Speed. Reading for information and argument. Key concept. Type of text, from simple to complex. Subject of text, from familiar everyday subject of personal interest to topic outside their area of interest. Depth of understanding, from getting an idea of content to understanding the finer point and implication.
Number 7. Reading instruction. Reading instruction is a specialist form of reading for information and again concern written or signed text. Key concept number 1 is topic of instruction, from routine prohibition on simple notice and simple direction to detailed condition and complex instruction on something unfamiliar, possibly outside their area of expertise. Number 2, degree of contextualization and familiarity. And number 3, length from a few words or signs to detailed and lengthy, complex instruction in continuous text. Number 8, reading as leisure activity. This skill involves both fiction and non-fiction written and signed text. This may include creative text, different forms of literature, magazine and newspaper articles, blog or biographies, among other types of text depending on one's interest. Reading as a leisure activity have 6 key concepts. Number 1 is types of text, from simple description of people and place through different types of narrative text to contemporary and classical writings in different genres. Number 2, length, variety of text and whether there are illustrations. Number 3, topics, from everyday topics, for example, hobbies, sport, leisure activities, animals, and concrete situation, to a full range of abstract and literary topics. Number 4, types of language, from simple to stylistically complex. Number 5 is of reading, variety of text and whether there are illustrations, from guessing with the help of image through reading with a large degree of independence to appreciating the variety of text. And number 6, depth of understanding, from understanding in outline or the main points to understanding implicit as well as explicit meaning. And the last are number 9. Reception strategies. In reception, understanding progress through a combination of bottom-up or top-down processing and the use of content and formal schemata in inferencing. One skill in provide for the inferencing strategies that this involves. And the key concept is number 1, exploiting illustrations, formatting, headings, subtitles, position in the text, and number 2 is deducing meaning from the code text and linguistic context. Number 3 is exploiting linguistic clues from numbers and proper nouns through word or sign, roots, prefix and suffix, temporal connectors and logical connectors to skill use of a variety of strategies. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.